sun. B is for bear having honey-filled fun. C is for cat who's purring away. D is for dolphin leaping through the spray. E is for elephant with a trunk that's so neat. F is for frog with a croak and a leap. G is for giraffe reaching oh so high. H is for hawk soaring in the sky. I is for iguana with a cool green glow. J is for jellyfish in the ocean below. K is for kangaroo bouncing on the scene. L is for lion, the jungle's mighty king. M is for monkey, swaying tree to tree. N is for newt, crawling quietly. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, walking left and right. Q is for quail, nesting on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping all around. S is for snake with a slithery way. T is for tiger, stalking its prey. U is for urchin, prickly in the sea. V is for vulture, circling carefully. X-ray fish with a name that's sly. Y is for yak with fluffy fur so long. Z is for zebra trotting with a song.